Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Ford Endura Titanium, stock reference number 4037. This shape runs from the 9th month 2018 and is the current shape. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 20-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear 20-inch alloy mag factory with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, electric button type, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.